In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Zoom links on WhatsApp from your laptop. By the end, you'll be able to grab a Zoom invitation and send it straight to the right contact or group on WhatsApp without any confusion. First, let's get the Zoom link. Open the Zoom desktop app or sign into the Zoom web portal in your browser. Go to the Meetings section and find the meeting you want to share. You'll see options like Copy Invitation or Copy Invite Link. Copy invitation includes the full details, like the link, meeting ID, passcode, and dial-in numbers, which is useful if your recipients might need more than just the link. Copy invite link gives you the direct link only, which is great when you want a quick, clean message. If your meeting is already running, look for participants, then invite, and choose Copy Invite Link. When you select any of these copy options, the information is placed on your clipboard and is ready to paste. Now, open WhatsApp on your laptop. If you prefer the browser, go to web.whatsapp.com. You'll see a QR code on the screen. Open WhatsApp on your phone, scan the code, and your chats will load on the laptop. If you already use the WhatsApp desktop app, just launch it and sign in if needed. Once connected, all your chats and groups are available, and you can compose messages just like on your phone. Next, paste and send the link. Open the chat or group you want to share the meeting with. Click in the message box and press Ctrl+V to paste the link. On a Mac, use Command+V. Before you send, add a brief note so people know what the link is for. Include the meeting time, your time zone if relevant, and the passcode if it isn't already embedded in the link. If you used Copy Invitation, you can paste the full invitation and trim anything you don't need. Clear context helps recipients join on time and avoids back-and-forth messages. When the message looks good, press Enter or click Send. That's all there is to it. You copied the Zoom invite, opened WhatsApp on your laptop, pasted the details, and sent them to the right place. Keep your links private by sharing only with intended participants and avoid posting them publicly. If you regularly share similar meetings, you can keep a short message template handy to paste alongside the link. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling.